So hello everyone. So this is my Revit model, and you can see there is the plans and drawings, everything in the project browser, the schedules, drawing sheet, and everything. So if I go for the plan, so you see the view name types. This is one like a first level, second level, that kind of name mentioned in the Revit model. But I need to give all the name according the ISO 19650. So we have a naming conventions. So according the naming conventions, we have to give the all the name, like all the view name, view type name, schedule name, all the annotations, style name, or all the family name also. I should change according the ISO 19650, right? So there is a option. So there is a plugin available. So when I go to the Trishita tab, so there is a plugin available, ISO Model Manager. Okay, so when I open the ISO Manager, so here you can see this is the dialog box where I can mention the project code, organizer, volume, level, okay, roles, and everything according the ISO. Like the project code, you can mention the project code. You can meet the originator, like Trishita is the originator, so I can give the TRI. Okay, volume names you can give for according your building, labels you can mention, everything you can mention over there according this. So this is ISO 19650 tabs is there. Okay, and after that, so after this, if I go for the view types, here you can create the view type, also like WIP, shared, or published type of folder you want to create. So you can create that. You can add the prefix from the status. So you can change this folder structure, like here from WIP to shared or published. You can change all that things. So these are the view type you can plan. So you can create the view types. If I go for the view, so here is the option, automatically default ISO name is there, like the disciplines and labels, floor plan, like that. So you can change the naming convention type. So if I want to change the naming pattern, so if I want to just add the originator before the discipline, so I can add that one. I can add a dash, like that. So these kind of patterns you can create for the view name. Okay, if I go to the schedules, you can also create the schedule name like that. Okay, you can choose any kind of token. You can select from the drop down, and you can place the token over there according your needs, and you can create the your naming convention according the ISO standards. Okay, if I go to the architectural family, see the same architectural name, family name also you can change. You can go to the structural family names. Okay, you can select the default ISO naming standard also. Okay, you can select the mechanical family names, patterns. So every naming convention you can decide from this naming patterns from the drop down. And there from the dialog box, I can give all the naming standard of the every families. Annotation styles also, you can give the annotation style name. Naming patterns is available in the dialog box. And after having all these things, so you can go to the sheets. Here you can mention the sheet name also. So when I click on sheets, here the total sheets name, so project, originator, volume, level, code. So that kind of sheet name patterns you can generate. And so after mentioning all the rules of the namings, I can apply into the model. So when I go to the apply into the model, so see, if I want to create the view type first, so okay, so after saving this, I'll go to the apply into the model. And now I am just taking uh, annotation style or view type I want to create. So these are the current view name is 3D view, building elevation, like you can see in the project. This is kind of thing, 3D view or building elevation, and the generated name like that. This is the folder name, WIP 3D view, shared building plan, like these are the view name you can apply. Okay, so after having this, so you can just select apply selected. When we just select, so 12 names automatically renamed over there. Now I want to change the, so if I go there into the properties box, you can see the name is already changed. Okay, WIP call out detail, WP structural plan. Okay, so now if I go into the structural plan details, so here is the name, first floor level, second floor level. I want to change this name also. Then again I go to there, and now I am just apply to the models. So go to the views. So here is the view name pattern I have already generated. This is my naming pattern. So when I apply into the model this one, okay, and apply selected all the elevation, ceiling plans and engineering plan I am selecting. So before the current name is EGL, so the generated name will be TRIRC generated ceiling plan EGL, like that. These are the name converted name. So now I'm just select apply, and 2517 views are already renamed. So when I yes, but so it will take some time. See, all the name been generated like this. You can see all the name. The current name is TRIAS. So this is my ISO standard naming. Okay, so after that, so if I want to just rename the family also, so you can change the family name also. See, family name type is like that. So I'm taking this type and go to the apply to the models, and I am just taking the architectural family. Here is the option check none or check all option is there. So I can take the door type. Okay, so here is the option door opening, door types like the double door. So these are the type of the doors. I am taking all the door family available in the model. So I'm just selecting all the door type. Okay, so after just selecting all the doors, I'm just giving this apply selected. There are 11 architectural families will be renamed, and it will take some times. So after some time, so see the renamed 11 doors element names already renamed. Here is the name like the three sheet architecture door room opening, three sheet architecture doors. Okay, so this kind of name pattern you can change like that. Okay, these are the current name, these are the generated name. Okay, you can change all that things. So this is the type of thing. So you can change all the family name, all the annotation names, all the libraries, seat names, everything you can just rename according the ISO. So here is the ISO Model Manager option available from Trishita. You can use this plugin for renaming your entire project according the ISO 19650. Okay, thank you.